Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and in today's video we are talking about the dreaded word suspicious activity. Oh my gosh, on your CVS or your coupons.com account, what do I do? Oh my gosh. So a lot of you have been getting weird messages from either the CVS app, and I have as well, or you try to submit a receipt to the coupons.com app and that big flash of red saying, oops, we're having a problem right now, try later. You're getting that, and it's like, well, what did I do? And then if you try and reach out to customer support, they'll say, well, suspicious activity. And they won't tell you precisely why, other than to say it's suspicious. And unless you're an influencer with a big following, sometimes they'll just close down your account. I've seen that on multiple occasions. Now, with the CVS accounts, if you have a lot of extra care bucks and you are juggling many accounts, it gets hard to track it down, and you might lose everything, especially if you're a couponer who started out with one card and then you had a bunch. That could be very, very disheartening. So I will let you guys know that I have one CVS card because I'm not a frequent shopper. And even when I had a CVS where I lived, I just wasn't a huge CVS shopper. It's just me. And I only had one store card. But the one store card I had, I think the last time I used was 2 years ago around my birthday. They sent me a $3 extra care buck, rolled in there, got a paper towel, and left. That was it. My whole shopping haul. And they sent a message out in the last couple of weeks saying, hey, your account's had zero activity in the last, 2 years. Would you like to deactivate your account? If not, keep it in good standing. Press the following button. And I'm thinking, people who are very light shoppers, or you just had a CVS account, your grandma, me, whatever, they're trying to do that. So there must have been some sort of audit saying, these very low active accounts, let's just delete them or get rid of them. I've seen other apps do that before in the past too, that if you have an account that's completely dormant, Walgreens, for example, if you had a whole bunch of Walgreens cash on an account, you hadn't even touched it in 6 months. I think after 6 months, your Walgreens cash goes back to Walgreens for dormant accounts that are not used at all. Just like I've done with my CVS card. I haven't been in the store in literally probably a couple years. So it's just weird. I think they must have gotten somebody that audited. I haven't gotten the word suspicious activity, but because my account's been dormant, they're like, well, what are you doing? Are you still a real person? What's happened? And I think they're just trying to, somebody's hired to do these audits to just, slim down many of the accounts or something, Who really knows? Now, a YouTuber that I do follow, Savings with Shay, she made a video about accounts being suspended, and she kind of dives into people with multiple accounts. So if you have many and you're juggling all the different ones, and that people are just having their accounts suspended and then their extra care bucks are also seized. This video is very informative. If you are a CVS shopper with multiple accounts, you might want to check it out. I'll link it at the end. She just summarizes it beautifully. If you are a CVS shopper, go and follow her. I've been following her since day one of my channel. I've always loved her content. She does really good Walmart too, but she really dives into this. Again, I'm not a CVS expert, but she certainly is, and she dives into this. But they are sending emails out, and I received one too, but my account's dormant, so that was the reasoning. Okay, so the second part of the video, guys, is for those of you that are using the coupons.com app, not the website, the app. If you're making a submission, you're getting this goofy message in red saying, oh my gosh, we're having trouble, try later. And then when you try later, you're still getting this message. So essentially, I think you might be using both ShopMeUm and coupons.com, especially if you have, the same email, same phone number on both accounts, and you've been flagged and you just can't use, you've been freezed out of your coupons.com app. That's basically what's happened. If you're just using the coupons.com app and not ShopMeUm, I'm very sure that you're still able to submit. But yeah, a lot of you that are using both or juggling both, that's what's happening. So I think sometime in May, a lot of us got an email saying, hey, move over to ShopMeUm because coupons.com is going to be, no longer available sometime in July. The date in July is still up in the air. I just think one day it'll probably be an empty app. But it's just the way that they're moving things forward. Both ShopMe and Coupons.com are the same company. So they're just consolidating, which makes sense. So if you're getting this, just know that, Saturday is July the 1st. A lot of people are getting it. And the thing with the Coupons.com app is that once you submit for your rebate, it's a PayPal drop within 24, 48 hours. So, it is what it is. They're just trying to consolidate it with ShopMe, and hopefully it's going to be smooth sailing with that app. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.